housing market's trash right now, and I wish I could sit down with Mr. Joe Byron and have a little chat with him about a few things that I think could actually help. The first thing we need to do is stop making it easy for people to buy houses. Now, before you get mad at me, hear me out. The government has made it so easy for people to try to buy houses by increasing FHA loan limits, by keeping interest rates really, really low, trying to introduce tax credits for people buying their house, and printing money. All this does is make more people want to buy homes. And guess what that does to supply and demand? It makes competition worse. Stop it with the damn tax credits. Stop it with anything that involves increasing loan limits. And let's increase those interest rates. Second, and arguably the more important thing, is that we just need to get more houses. I'm not a huge fan of the government sticking their hands and stuff, but I gotta be honest, if they could do anything to help the supply chain issues and get people back to work, they should. Another thing they could do is incentivize builders to build homes by maybe offering them a tax incentive, or maybe tax incentives to suppliers who find a way to get suppliers for cheaper for people. They could also incentivize companies who are finding ways and innovating on how to build homes with cheaper and better materials and make it more sustainable. The government played a huge part in causing this problem, so I hope they actually have a plan to help fix it. But I actually don't think they give a shit, because I think they're actually intentionally not doing anything to fix it.